initiate. So off we go. 6 and 7B. Here we come. 1 is nomenclature.
Oh, this is the wrong one. This is the one from
2 has no carbon. Binary is 2 elements. Ternary is 3 elements. 5, the more positive, goes first. 6 is I. 7 is common versus systematic chemical names. The systematic chemical names are more common. 10 is IUPAC 1921, so everything doesn't have its own random name. Bonus point, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. Prefixes, 1 is mono, M-O-N-O, then D-I, di, T-R-I, T-E-T-R-A, P-E-N-T-A, H-E-X-A, H-E-P-T-A, O-C-T-A, and O-N-A for half a point, and E-N-N-E-A for the other half, D-E-C-A for deca. Exception is mono only on the second one. Other exception is if two vowels are in a row, the prefix is the one who drops a vowel.
Is there a bonus on 13 and 22?
There, I don't think is. Not that I'm aware of.
You told us yesterday there was.
Yeah,
About
but
10
you
to
said there was
12.
only 3.
It's like
I must have just said the
It was
wrong
10 to
number.
12.
Wasn't there a bonus on 30 where you mentioned not die or try?
I'm not sure. We'll get to that in a sec. But front, anybody front? Okay, to the back. Binary can be 2 nonmetals or metal with nonmetal. Roman numeral, memorize it. Metals, no. Bonus point is because only a single compound is possible. If we're obeying the rules from last chapter about charges balancing and using the simplest whole number ratio, you only get one choice. So you can't have multiple options to make the prefixes even necessary. 30 is a stock system, OUS for the first one, IC for the second one. 33, I don't care about the endings other than that you have an ending to the word, either OUS or ICs. But CUPR is the start, FERR, PLUMB, MERCUR, and STANN. 38, 8 and ite, I don't care what's where. 40, the 8s have one more oxygen than the ites. Hypo is the underword, PER is the overword, and then we're into new stuff, so we might as well hesitate there. Question about the old friends. Yep.
For 29, does only if it's in a solution count as a bonus point?
No. But don't mark it wrong either.
Yeah.
More to 42? Yeah, the bonus point on 29 was only a single compound is possible.
Okay, mixed.
43 could be a gas or a liquid or a solid dissolved in water. And when I say or, I don't mean you pick one for the quiz. I mean you pick one when you're in human life. But I want you to list all 3 options. A gas or solid or liquid dissolved in water. Acid, HX is the simple formula. And then the explanation is a hydrogen compound that yields hydrogen ions in aqueous solution. So if you don't mention hydrogen compound, you don't mention yielding hydrogen ions, you don't mention aqueous solution, I could go maybe a half, but if you got 2 halves, then you got shut out there. Base, MOH is the formula. Something for definition like a compound with a metal and 1 or more hydroxide ions, or a compound with metal ion and hydroxide ions, something like that. I wouldn't mark stuff wrong just over not saying 1 or more like that. I'm not going to get that picky about that. Salt is MX, something like an ionic compound with a positively charged ion and a negatively charged ion, or if you like chemistry words, an ionic compound with a cation and an anion. 50 is only for binary acids, so binary uses hydro, that's it. 51, you'd have to say binary and ternary as your options and then have an explanation within each option. So the binary option, it's an IC ending. Ternary option is that ATEs turn into IC and ITE turns into OUS. 54, bitter taste is a choice. A soapy or slick feel is the other choice. If you say both choices, I'll give you a bonus point there. True perfect paper 57, counted out of 54. Anybody need advice about score making? Okay, so usually what's happening is there's more quizzes or homework days pieced in here, but we're fast forwarding due to vacation. So on our calendar, we're looking to go practice test, and then we squeeze in the 2 tests on the 2 days before break and speed this up a bit compared to normal pace. That's a wrap. Battle.